Can you click that my first project? I think you're already in the first project, but go to project settings at the bottom of that card.
Here?
Yeah. You
Here,
can
right?
edit. Yeah.
We'll say credit predict. Okay.
Can you click on the left, the hamburger menu, the left on the left top? There is a 3 bar. Yeah. And go to API and services. Enable API and services.
Yeah. Enable API services.
Yes, correct.
Okay.
And you have to search for
Map SDK.
no,
Map.
just you can search for it's there on the bottom. There is a maps JavaScript API. If you scroll down, yeah, that one. You can click that.
Okay.
And enable it. Yeah. Okay. Similarly, we need 2 more APIs. Now you can go back and search for places API.
You need this key?
Yeah, okay. It gave the key right away. Anyway, you can copy that. Yeah.
Okay.
And you can have it somewhere else, and we'll use it when you create the Amplify. Or you can get it anyway after the...
Yeah, anytime you can get it.
Yeah,
That's
you can
not
get
a
it.
problem.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Now you can go back to the... No, you can close...
Go to Google Map.
Yeah, okay, yeah. I think that'll take to the documentation. I'm not sure.
Protect your API. Not needed.
Let me check if I have
API
done
restriction.
that. I think API restriction you have to... I
have to give something here.
Okay, then you can click websites.
Okay.
And hold on, let me see what I have done here. No, I think I didn't do any restriction.
Maybe later?
Yeah, maybe later. Yeah.
Okay.
Because at that time we didn't have a domain, so I didn't...
Correct.
Yeah. Now again, you can go to the API and services on the left.
Right.
And okay, you can scroll down and search for Places API. Places API, you can enable it. And also...
Which one? There are 2. New?
The first one, the Places at the top.
Okay.
Yeah, and also you have to enable... If you scroll a bit above, you'll see geocoding API.
Yeah.
You need to enable that. On the left, if you click the menu button and click APIs and services, enabled APIs. Yeah, okay. Yeah, if you scroll down, you should see the 3 APIs enabled. Yeah. Okay, so when you start using it, this is where it will show the usage and the metrics above.
Right. Okay.
And click Maps JavaScript API. And on the left, you have to click Map Management. And now you have to create a new map ID. At the top, create map ID. On the top.
Is this a one-time thing or I have to keep doing it?
One-time thing for particular use.
Okay.
Yeah. On top.
Yeah.
That
create ID.
Create map ID. Now you can give a name and select. Yeah.
Okay.
And select a map type, which will mostly be JavaScript. Raster is fine. And you can do a save. Yeah, now we need this map ID. On the details, there is a map ID. Yeah, so we have API key and map ID from Google Cloud. And we need to enter it in the Amplify. Now you can sign up. Continue, and I think it'll ask for a first project. Maybe you can leave it disabled. Yeah. Okay. I think you can. Do you have option to skip? Okay, scroll down. Skip personalization at the bottom.
Okay.
In the center. Yeah. Okay. On the left, you can create a repository there.
Create repository?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, okay. It's owner credit predict and the repository. Yeah. Yeah, you can put the name credit predict there and click private at the bottom. Scroll down. Private repository. And can you scroll down? Yeah, okay. That's all. You can create the repository. Done. Now can you share this URL? What you're seeing at the bottom?
At the bottom?
Yeah, there's a URL there, right?
This one?
Yeah, next to that there is a button called SSH.
Copy?
On the left there's a button called SSH. Can you click that?
Yeah.
Yeah, now you can copy this and send it to me, this URL. Okay, and before that, I think you need to add me into the project as
Where?
collaborator. On the settings, yeah. Collaborators on the left.
Collaborators.
Let me log into my account.
Who has access?
Yeah.
Manage, right?
Can you scroll down? Add people. Yeah.
This one?
Yeah. Yeah, the code has been pushed. So if you go to the code tab on top left.
Top left, okay.
The code should be there. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So now you can click services on top. Yeah.
Okay.
And click AWS Amplify. We have two apps with same name, but now we can create a new one with a different name. Credit Predict hyphen something else. You can have a suffix.
Create a new app?
Yeah.
Okay. Deploy your app. GitHub.
Yeah. Next. And it should ask for GitHub access. If you log into multiple GitHub, then you have to choose this correct one, the Credit Predict GitHub.
But now here I am using authorize, right?
I'm seeing a loading screen.
Are you still seeing the loading screen, or?
Yeah, I think if it's a pop-up, then I think I won't see the.
Oh, okay.
Layer. Yeah.
So I don't. Let me cut and paste.
Is it asking about to log in to your GitHub?
Authorize AWS Amplify. I'm just sending it to you.
Okay, got it. So at the top, it's showing that your account, right? GitHub account. And then it's asking to authorize AWS, correct?
Okay. Just take a look at what I sent you.
Yes. So it says verify your GitHub identity Credit Predict. That's the account that we are logged in right now to connect to AWS Amplify. Yeah, you can.
I think
what else is asking for? No, with resources you can access, act on your behalf. Yeah, you can click authorize. Yeah.
I'm not getting it. I think now it's gone into a loop. Add repository. Sorry, choose code provider. Let's start from there.
You lost the overlay?
No, it's
No,
still everything is.
No, it's a different
Just,
window. It's a different window. It's still there.
Oh,
You
okay.
click your tab and you will see that. Yeah.
Which one? This one? No.
No, the bottom, the Windows tabs, right? There are multiple windows right now. Maybe you can alt tab
Oh,
to
it
find
went
it.
to another one, you think? No.
Yeah, it's a different tab.
Maybe, yeah.
It's
Okay. Authorize?
Yeah, authorize.
Install and authorize on your personal account credit predict for these repositories, all repositories.
You
Install
can
and
select.
authorize.
You can select the
Oh,
credit
okay.
predict repository.
But I can just no.
I mean, if you want, you can just say all.
I just did, but we can now go back and change it, right?
I think you closed it, right? No, because it
We should
came
be
back to
able
the
to-
screen.
Correct, but we should be able to have somewhere a way to modify it, right?
I think so. Maybe you can click again GitHub.
App settings? In app settings.
No. That's steps. So you have to select here, yeah, and then
Okay.
click next. At the bottom, next.
Okay. It says update GitHub permissions.
No. Let's first try
If you don't see a repository in the drop down above, ensure Amplify GitHub as permission to the repository.
Yeah, first let's see if it accesses it. So you can select the search box there.
Repository?
Yeah, and you have
it.
Yeah, okay. You can click that, and master is already taken up, and you can click next.
Is that correct now?
Yeah. So already it fetched the master branch, and it shows down there, and we can click next. Yeah. And these are default settings that will work with our app. You can go to advanced settings there, down there. If you scroll down, there is an advanced settings.
Okay.
You don't need to change the build image, but yeah, only the environment variables. You can click add new and add these variables there.
Oh, here itself. Okay.
Yeah,
right. Yeah. Okay. Here I show the add new.
Yeah.
Key value, this one.
Yeah. Okay. All the key values.
Then I have to do next.
Yeah. It should check and say it's available.
Still checking. Save and deploy.
Yeah, save and deploy.
2 to 5 minutes, it says. So this is what one needs to do every time to deploy the new instance?
Exactly. Now can you click the master on the deploying side? Yeah.
Below or?
No, on top. On top it says master. Below is the URL master.
Right.
Yeah, that you have to click the master and click cancel build, because this will fail anyway. So you can at the top there's a cancel option, cancel build.
Build?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because we haven't given the cancel build. We didn't give the variables to build it. So now you have to go back. On top you'll see the credit predict. Yeah. That. And then on the left under hosting, if you open that, you'll see the environment variables there at the bottom. You need to click that.
This one, right?
Yeah. Now you need to add few variables here. I'll send you the variables.
Yeah.
Yeah, in that you'll find like 5 variables and values.
Okay.
You'll not have first 2, but you'll have the remaining. So now what you have to do is you have to click manage variables in this page.
Manage variables.
And click add new. And since you already copied it, you can paste the value here in the center. Next tab. No, not that. The next one. in the value tab. And from the email, you can paste it here. And from the email, you'll see that there's a variable called Vite map ID. Vite underscore map underscore ID. You can click that and paste it in the variable column.
VITE Google API key or map ID?
Map ID.
Map ID.
Yeah. Copy that and paste it in the variable left column. Yeah. So for each variable, we'll have a name like this. So add new, and then you can click the add new, and you can now copy the variable Vite Google API key.
So next time onwards, will I be able to copy this to create a new instance?
No, I tried it. I couldn't find an option to copy this. So we have to.
Okay. There's no clone. Okay.
No, there's no clone.
So I have to re-enter this particular page, right?
Yeah. But if you want to create a new instance, again, you have to create it from the scratch. But if you want to clone it, you can only do it through command line.
VITE Google API key?
Correct. The order doesn't matter, so you can do it in any order, but the variable and the name should be there.
And the value will be there.
The API key that you already copied from Google Cloud.
Yeah.
Okay. Add new, and you can, the rest of the things are static. I mean, that's what we use. So you can just copy variables and the value below that. Right now for the proxy URL, it's directly the Lambda URL. That's okay for our testing, but later if you go for production, we should not have this. We should ask the original Veda site to whitelist our domain.
Okay, yeah.
But if you can't, and you have, and if you can't, but you have, if you want to continue with this, then instead of using the Lambda URL directly, you need to give a domain for that. You can ask any DevOps people to do that; they will do it. So, and after creating the domain, you have to use the domain name here instead of the Lambda URL like this.
Okay. So it will be directly the URL.
No. I mean, it's the same. It's just a mapping, because instead of showing the Lambda URL like this, it will be a name called something like ndway proxy dot. Correct. Yeah. It will be a subdomain of credit predict. Yeah. Yeah. There are two more: ndway URL and sheet base URL. The proxy URL and the sheet base URL is temporary, because if you have the proxy URL and sheet base URL. Proxy URL, if you whitelist, you don't need this URL. Sheet base URL, if you have a backend, then you don't need the sheet. So yeah.
Proxy URL and the sheet URL will not be required.
Yeah.
Okay, I think I got everything right.
Yeah, that's all. Now you can save it.
Yeah.
Now you can, on the left, you can scroll up, and on the left, you can go to overview. Click the master branch. I mean, master, the top one, not the domain, the master branch. That's what it showed on top of deployed canceled. There's a master. Yeah, you can click that and redeploy. Yeah, on the right, you can click redeploy this version. Yeah, take a few minutes, like 2 minutes, and it'll be done.
Yeah. Okay.
For creating a new app.
Yeah.
Then you have to go to the all apps on top on the breadcrumb. Yeah.
Will it stop the deployment?
No. That will happen in the background.
Yeah. Okay, so we can do this now. So I'll just do one thing.
On the left of AWS Amplify, you'll see a star. You can click that, so that will be easy to access.
On the
that one.
Okay.
Yeah. Now, if you close this, if you close the menu. Now, if you close the menu, this drop down.
Okay.
You'll see on top there is an AWS Amplify icon.
Oh, okay. On top. Fine. Okay.
It's easy access. Yeah.
Okay. Am I allowed to click on it now, or I have to wait for that?
No. That will happen in the background. That will happen in the
Okay.
background.
So let me just go here.
If you want
Okay.
to stop it, you have to cancel it. It will not stop on
okay.
its own.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then otherwise it will be in the background. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So which one is that now? Where is the view app?
Yeah. And you'll have the link there. Master
Here, this
domain.
one, right?
Yeah, the domain. Yeah.
That is master dot. This one will be
Correct. If you click that, it will open a new tab and you'll have the app.
Go to that app.
Yeah.
Okay.
But it's
Great.
not yet
Okay.
completed. We have to do one small step. But if you go and check the app, you will see it. And afterwards, I'll tell you what to do there.
Okay. What do I have to do now? I'm in all apps.
No. You have to go to the tab that you opened or the master URL, the Amplify URL. Yeah. So everything else will work. But if you scroll down, the NDVI data will not be shown here. So the NDVI data is coming from our Lambda, which I've restricted only to the domains that we give access for. So you need to whitelist there if you want.
Where?
I'll show you. So
that.
Yeah,
1 minute.
That's one more step. Yeah.
I'll just, for example, something. I'll just put it here, the India thing, so that it shows. Okay.
Okay. Now if you have to go to the AWS. Yeah, and click the services on top, or you can search in the search bar for Lambda.
I'll go to survey. Yeah.
Yeah, you can click. You can also the Lambda on the right. You can
here, right?
start. Yeah, you can start Lambda and S3 so that it's easy to
Okay.
access. S3 is on top. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Now you can go to Lambda page and click the Lambda. Yeah. One single function for Lambda right now.
Okay.
So this is the only one. VEDAS NDVI proxy. You can click that. Yeah, the function name.
So do I have to do after creating the app every time, right?
Yeah, every time.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can
Unless,
I just 1 minute? I think I might have messed up, right?
Yeah, it's first you have to go to the Lambda page.
Lambda page, right? Okay.
Yeah.
So this will be in Lambda.
And it should by default go to the functions. If not, on the left you will see function. On the left there is hamburger icon, the 3 lines.
Okay.
You click that, and there is a functions.
Function.
Then it will go here. You have to open the function VEDAS NDVI proxy and scroll down. And go to configuration, the configuration tab on top of this, on top of the code. Yeah, there's a configuration. And on the left, you have to click function URL. You can write it down like configuration tab, function URL.
Yeah, this I have to do, or otherwise I'll take it from the video. This one, yeah.
Okay. And on the right side, you have to scroll down. Scroll down a bit so that you see the cores at the bottom. There's something called cores. You see, you see the cores on the left. I mean, in the center, CORS.
Code signing.
No, not
of course. Yeah. Got it.
Yeah, below that you'll see some URLs that these are the URLs that I've whitelisted here. So there are 2 things you can do. You can just open it for any URL, or you can whitelist the URLs. Right now I whitelisted it, but if you want to open it for everything, then you can easily do that. Then you don't have to create for every app.
But the problem I think that'd be a better one for now.
No,
yes.
But the problem is anybody can use, if they see the URL, the Lambda URL, then anybody can use it to get the VEDAS data. Yeah. So if you scroll a bit on top of this page, I mean this part, you'll see an edit button. There's an edit button. Yeah. Near the function URL, there's an edit button or delete. You can create edit.
Every time I have to do this, or it's a one time?
Every app that you create, you have to add it here.
Okay.
Because every app will have a different domain. I mean the Amplify domain URL, which you have to add it here.
Okay. So I have to edit every time.
Yeah. Now if you scroll down, there will be allow origin, and these are the URLs I already have. You can click add new value and paste it there. You can paste it. I think it's already in the clipboard, unless
Here,
you
right?
change it.
No, I would have changed it.
Okay,
so.
okay.
You're seeing it, right? I just.
Yeah.
Okay. Now I
So
can.
if you don't want the previous URLs, then you can remove it here. I think you can remove the localhost. I added it for my local work, so I think you can remove the 2 localhost at top.
Just tell me which all I can remove so that we keep it clean.
First 2 localhost, we can remove that.
Okay.
Yeah, and the second and third we can remove once we remove the app. I think we can remove the app right now. In which case you can remove it right now. Yeah.
Which app we are removing?
The
other
one
2 you
I
created.
created. Yeah.
Okay.
So you can create delete the second and third.
Second, third.
Yeah, third.
Correct?
Yeah. So
okay.
that's all.
So this
Now we
is
can
the
save
revised.
it.
It's the new one now.
Yeah, this is the one that you created right now. Now you can save it. If you scroll down and do a save.
Okay. I'll scroll down and save.
Do you have the app open? This the new app on a different tab?
Should be, I think, right? I think.
Oh,
otherwise I can
did you remove the URL? I mean the slash in the URL because it's not saved.
No, I think
It failed. It failed there.
failed.
So yeah.
Yeah, right. Okay, yeah. I have
You
to
need
remove.
to yeah. And then you can save it. So if it didn't save, it will show the message there.
Okay. It is good to know.
You have to click save.
Okay.
Yeah, it's saved. Yeah. So now if you go to the tab where you have the app open.
I have the app open somewhere here. This must be the one, I think.
You need to say share screen.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Just see if this is the one.
Yeah, this is what we searched. So now if you scroll down,
yes.
if you scroll down, NDVIA data is not there. So just move the map pointer somewhere. Just move the map a bit. It's not moved. Yeah, now the NDVIA data should update. Yeah, it's working. Yeah.
Okay.
So without the without whitelisting in our functions, Lambda functions, it will not provide that data here.
Okay, so I have to go to the Lambda tab and do this.
We've done it now.
NetNet we are NetNet we are adding this. Suppose if I come here, edit. This is the whitelisting, right? Whatever we did.
I'm not seeing the screen.
Okay.
Yeah, this is the whitelisting.
This is the whitelisting,
correct.
Right? Okay. Yeah. Once I do this and save, it should show the NDVIA.
Yeah. I mean, correct? Yeah, correct. But it's not actually a security thing. Anybody can still hit the URL and get the data, but like with us, but they cannot use it in their app in front end because the browser will deny it because of the
True. Basically, today they can go to that Veda site and get it, right?
Same. Yeah, same.
We are not taking anything that is not already available in the
site. So what I'm saying is anybody can hit the R Lambda and it will still be costing us, but they can get the data, but they can't use it in their app, front end app.
Okay.
Just like Vedas.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
View app. And on the left, you can click hosting and scroll down. Access control. Top, manage access. And master is the branch that we're using, and it's publicly viewable. That's how it's set. You can click that and change it to restricted, something like that.
Super.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now you can give a username and password and save it, and that URL will become inaccessible without the password and username and password.
So
you can try it now. So you can just give a test username. Yeah.
Let's say KBC test. That's okay?
Yeah, anything. It's up to you. You can give anything here.
Let me just make sure I have test 1, 2, 3.
You have that app open, right? The tab.
Tab, yes.
You were able to access it now, but when you give the password, I mean, when you save it, it should not be accessible.
So I should, let me do one thing. I have it now. Copy.
Yeah, copy the URL. Yeah, save it.
Which one?
No,
The one we have been using all along?
No, not that one. The one that you created right now.
One? Is this the one?
Yeah, this one. This
one, right? Not this, sorry.
The master D3 LFDA, that one.
Master, this one, right?
I'm not seeing the URL, but I think this is the one.
You should be able to. No?
No, I'm only seeing the page inside. I'm not even seeing the URL bar, header, nothing.
Yeah. Master.D3LFDA.
Yeah, that one. Yeah.
That's the one, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I will copy and keep it somewhere.
And now we can go back to the other page and save it.
This is I will call it as the login URL. Yes, I have saved it and I gave it as KBC test. And I gave test 1, 2, 3. Yes, I think that's what I gave. Let me just make sure. Okay.
Yeah, now you can reload this page.
I think I saved it or share this tab instead. Okay, that's what I did.
Okay.
Restricted password required. Okay.
Now we can reload the app page. The master D3 LFD or something like that. So that one.
Yeah, it's asking username. Okay.
You can go to view app for the credit predict and go to hosting on left and go to custom domains. Add domain on top right.
This one, right? No, this is the one.
Yeah. Add domain. Yeah.
Okay.
And can you click the creditpredict.in? Okay, configure domain. Here you can give it. So can you in the www you can delete the www? No, in the subdomains. Yeah. Instead of the www you can type the customer one.
Customer one. Yeah.
And then you can exclude the root on the right. You can exclude the root. We don't want the creditpredict.in to go there. And you can scroll down and there's by default Amplify has a managed certificate. That's what it's selected by default. So you can leave it like that and do a save.
Okay. Do I have to link that domain? Oh, that's what we had done? No.
Yeah. No, domain already added to Route 53. That's why you're seeing the credit predict.
We have to give that URL master.
No. That's taken care automatically. That's taken care.
Okay.
You don't have to do anything here.
But if I have multiple of them, suppose if I want to go to customer 2 to give a different one.
But you will create a new app, right? So you can go to the view app.
Yeah.
Hosting. On the left, hosting and custom domains. It's on the same page. On the left, custom domains. Yeah, on the top. So when you added it, it was you were scrolled down to the bottom, so you didn't see that. But if you scroll up, you will see this one. This is where you were. So if you scroll up, you'll see this part. So SL creation is done. It says tick.
Okay, now SL configuration is going on.
Yeah, it'll take some time, few minutes, and then it will be done. Yeah.
I think once the third step is done, I presume.
Yeah. I mean, even if the third step is done, if it takes, it will take some time to propagate.
Maybe end of the day.
I'm not sure. Usually it's like 24 to 72 hours. Like that's how it is.
Okay, that's fine. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Yeah.
So the nearest place will update sooner than the farthest one.
In the meantime, they can continue to access directly that.
I think it should be. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Master dot this one.
Correct.
It should still ask for the
password. Yes.
Password, right?
Yeah.
But we didn't give any password here, right?
No, it's for the app. It's not for the URL. you gave an access control
Original
for the
app.
app,
Okay.
and then
Sorry,
you're
sorry.
accessing through URLs, different URLs.
Right, you're right.